People are like, who is DanielleVictor? And I'm like, bitch, it's Danny with 2 N's. Am I a fashion blogger? Maybe. Am I a storyteller? For sure. Am I a badass bitch? Absolutely. So if you're smart, you'll subscribe to my channel.
Hi. How are ya? How are ya? How are ya? Well, I'll tell you how I am. I'll tell you that my feet are like drier than the sands of a desert. And my nails, I started to pick off my gel. My hair is curly and unbrushed under this wig cap. And I'm, for fun, seeing how hairy I can, you know, go on my legs, because why not? You know, I want to see at the end of the 30 days, how hairy could my legs actually get? That's what I want to know. So anyways, I was going to do a mukbang before, like maybe 5 days ago or 4 days ago. I'm losing track of time and dates and whatever. But I didn't end up doing, I feel like this is a weird angle. Should I be down here? Yeah, this is better. Oh my god, my feet are so dry. Ew. Ew, my feet. How are y'all, okay, for people that are in relationships, what are y'all doing right now for like maintenance? Like curled up next to your man and your feet are like fucking against his sheets. I know he notices that shit. Even an at-home pedicure with canola oil, baby oil, salt, vinegar, Jesus Christ himself probably isn't gonna help any of our feet. We need like the grater, the cheese grater. I'm in a nail shop. So what are you guys doing? And people in relationships, are you guys tired yet? How many of y'all breaking up? Or for people in new relationships and you're quarantined together, how many of you are realizing, wow, I'm in love with this person. I want to spend the rest of my life with them. By the way, I'm just going to say for the record, anyone who comments on how I smoke from this moment on is just getting blocked. It doesn't matter if I don't inhale the way you want me to. I'm still getting high. That's all that matters. So stop commenting on it. I will block you. I will block you. You will never be able to leave a comment here again. And if you go to my Instagram and try to say something there, I'm going to block you there too.
See, I just inhaled. Like, leaves my throat like really scratchy. I just don't like that scratchy feeling.
You know, I got this weed from a party I went to. Seems so long ago. And it like, I know I have to hurry up and get through this Q&A because this right here knocks me the out, like puts my ass to sleep. I've been waking up in weird positions too. Like, anyone who's ever slept next to me has told me that I'm like the best person to sleep next to because I don't move. And I've been waking up like sideways, feet off the bed, head this way, not that way. I'm like, what's going on?
Oh my goodness, the word. I hate you all. I hate y'all. I hate y'all. I'm gonna regret that hit, for sure.
I can already feel it like in my jaw, like. Ah! My jaw. My jaw.
I'm scared. I'm so scared right now.
Alright, let me put that out for a second and answer a couple of these and then come back and smoke some more. Whew, okay. How far will you go on OnlyFans? Any bare ass or nudity? Skirt! No. There will not be. Funny story, actually. Today I was on my page and some guy commented, "Is this a joke? I want to see showering. Blah, blah, blah." And I was like, no, bro, unsubscribe. I don't need your $15.50. And he's like, you send all your pics and your videos in private messages. I'm like, yeah. Because even when I'm risque, but class A, y'all motherfuckers are paying for it. Y'all think I'm going to give you for free? Oh, no. You out your damn mind. You can get cute little, hey, little pictures and videos on my feed saying, check out my videos later. But the only people that are going to see it are people that got bread. And it's really, that's pretty simple. But no, I'll never be naked. No, no, no ass. You might get a little slit. I might wear a completely mesh dress. Have my badanka thanks out. I might have a thong on and turn my little ass around. But it ain't gonna be no bare ass nudity. Alright? Okay? And on that note, everyone subscribe. OnlyFans.com/XXO Danielle. Thank you. Moving right along. Have you ever hooked up with guys in the same circle? That would be a no. I don't homie hop. I will admit that after I have a falling out with a guy, I'll go immediately to his friends that I knew wanted to me, and I'll start hanging out with them, and they think they're probably gonna me, but really I'm just trying to find out information on the dude that I'm still in love with. That's it. I'm guilty of that, but I'm not ever guilty of hooking up with people that are friends. What, so y'all can like, one, neither one of them will take you seriously after that, and two, when I'm like in love with someone or they're the last thing I'm gonna do is hurt them. And I feel like going for somebody's friend is like, actually like sexually, is like below the belt. Not something I would do. Why don't you have a boyfriend? What's up with these questions, y'all? Ow. Ow. My jaw hurts all of a sudden. I don't know why. Why don't I have a boyfriend? I don't know, because I haven't met the right guy. Prince Charming is quarantined right now, okay? So we're gonna meet after this. Stop asking me that. I don't know. Have you ever dated a guy from the UK? No, I have not. I would though, if his teeth were nice. And I wouldn't date anyone with veneers. I feel like if you had to get veneers, what does your original teeth look like? And what are our kids' teeth gonna look like if you got veneers? You ain't having my baby. Not when I don't know what the your teeth look like before. Because I got nice teeth. And my kid's about to have nice teeth. But if you got veneers, that means your shit was up. And my kid ain't about to have no up teeth. And I'm serious. I would not date a dude that had veneers. No. Unless he showed me pictures and they weren't that bad. He just like hated one tooth. And then got veneers. But if he refuses to show me pictures, or he shows me pictures and they're like this way and that way and turn around and brown, I'm gonna say skirt. Oh man, I really thought you and I might have been a thing. You could have been the one. You almost made it. But them teeth and our kids, they ain't gonna work. They ain't, you know. I actually gotta go. Ugh, I gotta get out of here. Bye, have a good one. And he ends up marrying some like amazing charity worker who's drop dead gorgeous and has never had like a fucking pair in her life. And I'm just like, look at the karma for me being a shallow ass for not liking your fucked up teeth. Yeah. What's the longest you've been sober? During this quarantine? Less than 24 hours. Probably the longest I've been sober is like maybe while I'm sleeping during this quarantine. But in life, I can go, I think the longest I've ever gone is when I had to get surgery. I couldn't drink for a month before. So like 30 straight days. But other than that, like a couple days, if that. If you could pick a different season to be on Bad Girls Club, what season would it be? I would not pick a different season on Bad Girls Club. In fact, I wouldn't change anything in my life, because if I changed anything in my life, then I wouldn't have gone through what I went through. I wouldn't know what I know now, and I wouldn't be who I am. And therefore, who would I be? I'd rather just go through what I went through. And so, no, I'm glad I was on the season that I was on. Hashtag no regrets. Hashtag Bad Girls Club. Hashtag Victor Twins. Hashtag. I don't know, I couldn't come up with another Bad Girls Club hashtag that was on the top of my head, so sorry. I'm so high. I'm just gonna do 10 questions. I'm on question number 7. Would you ever consider being an actress? I did at one point. I was like, I could definitely act, I feel. But then I got this audition for The Oval, Tyler Perry's The Oval, and I had to do a self-tape. And I realized in the self-tape, I'm terrible at being anyone else. Like, horrible. I'm great at being me. So if there was a character who is exactly me in female form, where I didn't have to do anything but change my name, I could play that role. But if I have to be like a sophisticated librarian who graduated from Harvard and, you know, doesn't swear every 30 seconds, I probably couldn't do it. Not after that self-tape. I wish I had it so I could play it for y'all, but I don't have that file anymore, which sucks. Has Lady Gaga's ex hit you up since your video aired? That would be a no. We're never gonna talk again. Are you kidding me? Like, what is he gonna say? Like, hey, I got a babysitter. Just checking in on you. He never gave a who I was. Why the would he hit me up after I dropped a video on his ass? He won't. And not only that, I remember one night we were laying in bed having pillow talk, and he told me that he doesn't like to reach out first. So like, say on a Friday night, this is the exact example he gave me. On a Friday night, if somebody wants to hang out with him, like for instance, he was telling me this time this girl lives in his city, probably the girlfriend that he had the entire time, lives in his city, and on Friday night she'd be like, hey, do you want to watch a movie? And he would respond yes, but he said he would never text her and say, hey, do you want to watch a movie, because he finds that to be weird. So even if he wanted to say something to me, he wouldn't say something to me because he doesn't like being in that position. And I'm damn sure not going to say anything. What am I going to say? Hey, what I could have said is congratulations, call me if you ever need anything, if he in fact treated me with respect, but he didn't. So moving right along. Are you getting a puppy? I am. Hold on. Wait. Okay, you guys. What a great question. Hold on. Woo, woo, woo. I am getting a puppy. And can you please follow his Instagram? I just made it. I just made him an Instagram. Little Caesar, the Frenchie. Like Little Caesar's Pizza. Randy came up with that because I was like, every Caesar Instagram for a Frenchie was taken. So I texted Randy and Randy was like, Little Caesar with a pizza slice, and I was like, that's hella cute for an IG name. So please follow him at Little Caesar the Frenchie, please. Okay, please. Can you follow my puppy? Can you follow my cute little baby boy? Can you please follow my baby? Because once he arrives, it's gonna be like, he's gonna have more content than me. I'm just gonna be his photographer. I'm gonna say hello. 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 People are so bizarre. Okay. Question number 10. What did Jesus Christ eat? When did Jesus Christ eat his last supper? I don't even know why I wrote that one down on a piece of paper, because I thought it was so funny that someone would actually ask me that. Because I have no clue. Something in BC. Right? Isn't it so crazy that someone can just have like a last supper? Why do I have to start thinking about death right before I go to bed? I don't like that. Let's just do one more question. Have you ever thought about investing in the foreign exchange market? Again, I don't know why I wrote that one down, but I thought it was so funny that somebody would ask me. No! Does it look like I would invest in the foreign exchange? I don't even know what's on the foreign exchange market. What the is that? Somebody explain it to me. Do I look like I would have a clue? No, I have not invested in the foreign exchange market. Okay, so that's it. Oh, yeah, that's it. I'll do a couple more next week. I'll do another Q&A next week. Those are some good ones. Thanks, guys. You guys keep asking for Q&As. Some people like them, some people don't, but the last Q&A I posted, everyone said to do another smoke sesh Q&A, so here it is. I'm gonna go to bed. Well, first of all, I'm gonna take this wig off. Then I'm gonna wipe this makeup off. And then I'm gonna take these clothes off. I'm just kidding, I definitely sleep with sweatpants and clothes on. And I sleep with socks, and I definitely sleep with socks now because my feet are dry as hell. Even when my own 2 feet brush up against each other, I'm like, and then I just realized it's like my dry ass, crusty ass, dirty ass, need a pedicure ass feet. So I'm gonna put socks on, put on a movie, and go to bed. Because it is, right now I think it's almost 1 a.m. It's crazy. It is 1 a.m. Okay, gotta go. Oh, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, but as I always say, if you're giving it a thumbs down, what do I say? What do I say? You probably shouldn't be on this channel. But if you're gonna subscribe, hit the bell, because if you don't hit the bell, you don't get notifications. My nails. Stop looking at them. Stop looking at my nails. I like literally could not think of the words to say at that very moment for so long. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, XXO Danielle, Swallow It Podcast, the official Victor Twins, and okay, bye. I love you guys. See ya. Sweet dreams.